baby needs a new pair of shoes. That's right. So today's the first step of getting ready for my road trip to West Texas. I just thought I'd show you kind of what I do to get ready. Basically, I hooked up my trailer this morning. It's Saturday, and you can see I've got my Bridgestone tires loaded up in the trailer. I'm going to ride over to Maxim Honda. I haven't put a new set of tires on the bike because I got almost 10,000 miles on these tires. I don't really want to get on a road trip, take a chance with these tires. So I'll be heading over to Maxim Honda. Hello YouTube, this is Cruiseman out on the 2018 Goldwing on a beautiful Saturday morning. We've had some really great weather the last couple of months. Perfect for riding, not much wind, 77 degrees right now. It's a little humid, that's about the only negative. But it's just a really nice day. I've got the Bush Tech trailer behind me. I'm on my way to Maxim Honda because baby needs a new pair of shoes. That's right. New tires for my 2018. This is the first new set of tires I've had installed. And going with Bridgestones this time. I had Dunlops when I bought the bike. And they've been pretty good. I honestly have always been a kind of a Bridgestone bigot. But I got to admit, these Dunlops were pretty good. They're pretty good tires, and I probably could get another 1,000 miles out of them. But I'm preparing for a road trip. In fact, this is really kind of part one of my road trip video coming up this next week. And part two, I'm going to show you how I pack up the bike and get it ready for a 5-day trip. And I'm not taking the trailer on this trip, so you'll see how I can pack the Goldwing, the 2018 or 2019, for a 5-day trip. But we're on our way to Maxim to get new tires. It's about a 30-minute drive. Traffic's not too bad today, and I'm not keeping the speed up. I'm just trying to stay around 60 miles an hour because when I pull a trailer, I just don't feel comfortable going as fast as everybody else does. So I'll remind you once again, if you like these videos, please take a second to click that little subscribe button down below, and if you click on the little bell icon, YouTube will notify you when we come out with new videos. I'm kind of looking forward to this road trip because I'm going to be doing probably a 4 or 5 series moto vlog, 4 or 5 different videos, and I've got a lot of stuff to talk about. There's just a lot of cool things going on right now, and most of you know that I support my YouTube channel and all my efforts by those of you who have purchased my 2001 to 2017 Goldwing videos or my 2018 plus Goldwing maintenance videos, which show you how to save at least $1,000 a year in dealer labor charges if you do all of the maintenance tasks yourself rather than taking your bike to the dealer. But that's kind of how we support all these efforts right now. And we're going to do something special for Father's Day, which is coming up about a week from tomorrow. And I'll just go ahead and announce it right now. This is the first time we've done a promotion like this. A little different. If you purchase the on-demand videos for either the 2001 to 2017 and F6B, or, geez, there comes a sport bike going about 100 miles an hour. But if you buy the videos for either of the generation, 5th or 6th generation Goldwing, Dad is gonna save $40. So, great Father's Day gift for yourself, or if you're a wife watching this and you want to get your husband something for dad, you save $40 if you purchase before Monday the 17th. I think the 17th is the day after Father's Day. So it's only going to run for about a week, and it doesn't start until tomorrow. So I say tomorrow, depends on when I get this video out. It actually starts the Sunday before Father's Day. So the promo code is DAD, D-A-D, all uppercase. And when you go to Vimeo.com, they will take $40 off the retail price. So it's a great deal, great way for you to get all the maintenance videos. There's 51 videos in the maintenance series now. We just added a new one last week. And when you buy these videos, any new videos that are added or updated, you get automatically. You don't have to pay extra for them. So it's a pretty cool deal. Lots of stuff going on our YouTube channel. We're trying to get to 16,000 this month subscribers, so we appreciate all of those of you who have subscribed. And since I'm on my way to get a new set of tires put on the bike, I think it's a good time for those of you who have a 2018 to 2019 Goldwing. I'd like to know, what brand of tires do you prefer on your Goldwing? Put it in the comments down below. And remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We appreciate that too. Okay, got to unhook the trailer now, because they're not going to change the tires on the bike with the trailer on. So I got my new tires here at Maxim. I always come to Maxim Honda in Allen, and I only let John work on my bike. He is the best Goldwing mechanic in the state, in my opinion. And got a new set of tires. Got my trailer hooked up again, and we're ready to go. I'm on my way back from Maxim Honda, and I'm telling you, this bike rides so much smoother with new tires. I've noticed this on every Goldwing I've owned, that when a set of tires gets about 8,000 or 9,000 miles on it, the bike just starts running rougher. And now that I've got these new Bridgestones on, I can tell a huge difference. The bike is much smoother. It feels quieter. It just, nothing like a new set of tires.